Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How's your weekend?
Good.
Good. Did you have a good weekend, huh?
Yes.
Okay, today we're moving to our next topic, which is probability. We take one and you guys will take first. Yes. Our topic today is probability. And our learning outcome is to explain the meaning of probability and apply the concept of probability. But before we start to explain this topic, does any one of you know this thing?
It's a dice.
It's a dice, yes, good. And what did you do with this dice? Well, what did you use for this dice?
Ludo.
Yes, good.
Rolling
Yes,
a dice
roll.
to play a Ludo.
Yeah, we roll this dice to play a little, right? And when we roll this die, do we know what number we will get?
Yes.
No.
Yes, no. Do you know? Okay. If I roll now this dice, do you know what number I will get?
No.
Yes, no. There is uncertainty, right? So for this uncertainty, we use the concept of probability. So the meaning of probability we can define as the measure of uncertainty, or we also use another word like chances of things to happen in any experiment. For example, if we roll this dice, what is the probability of getting a 2?
1/6.
Yes. How do we get that? We get that from the formula of probability, which is the number of favorable outcome divided by the total number of outcomes. Yes. So if we see at this dice, if we roll this dice, what are the possible outcomes we will get?
1, 2,
1, 2,
Yes. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, and
6.
6. Right? So, like we say in the example, what is the probability of the 2? How many 2 we can get if we roll this die?
1.
Only 1, yes. So, number of favorable outcome like 2 is only 1. 1 divided by total number of outcomes.
6.
6, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6. That's why we get 1/6 as the probability of getting a 2 when we roll this dice. Yes, that's good. Another example. If you see this coin, if we toss this coin, what are the possible outcomes we will get if we toss?
The head and
Head
the
and
tail.
tail.
Yes, only 2, right? So it's only 2. Only a head and a tail. So what is the probability of getting a head? Use this. You can use this one.
half,
Half. Why?
1,
1 my head.
There is only one head we can get if we roll this dice. If we toss this die, right? So sorry, if we toss this coin.
coin,
1 and the total outcomes is 2.
2,
Yes. We also can write this in percent. Sorry, in the percent. So if you write this half, what is if you change this into a percent? What will we get?
times 100,
So what will we get?
50.
Yes, 50%.
50%.
And what is the probability of getting a 10?
same, half,
Same.
Same. Yes, good, good. Which is also 50%. So if at this point we now know that in an experiment, there is if we add all the probability of all possible outcomes, it will add up to 1. Like in this, there is only 2. Like in tossing a coin, there is only 2 possible outcomes, which is head and tail. And the probability of head is half, and the probability of tail is half. And if we had this, we will get half
plus
plus half, which is equal
1.
to 1. So now you have to keep in mind that the sum of probability,
Always equal to.
yes, always in an experiment always equal to. Okay, now if you look at your notes, and now there in page 1, there is an example 1. You see? You get it?
Yes.
Yes. Taggis, can you read example 1?
A container contains 4 red, 3 green, and 3 blue marbles. What is the probability that a pin chosen at random is A. Green, B. Not red, C. Yellow.
Okay, yes. You do that or we do it together on the board?
Wait, so wait, together on the
Okay, we do it on the board. Okay, letter A. Okay, a container contains 4 red, 3 green, and 3 blue marbles. What is the probability of getting a green? Letter A, getting a green. Mary?
3 over 10.
3 over 10, yes. Use the,
Yes.
you will use this one, yes. 3 over 10. Letter B, not red.
6 over 10.
Thank you, Tate is 6 over 10. And let us see.
0.
Why 0?
Can't. Impossible.
Yes,
Cannot
it is
happen.
cannot happen. Because there is, if we,
There
read
is
it
no
again,
yellow.
yeah, there is no yellow in this
Inside the
container.
container.
Yes, that's why we get 0. So we know now that if there is if the event is impossible to happen, cannot be happen, it's always have a probability of 0. Okay, now okay. I think you got an idea. You have a exercise on the next page, page 2. Maybe just only 2 activities. You can do it like maybe you two, you can do question 1 and you can do question 2. Give you like minutes. We're running out of time, so I'll give you like 1 minute. 1 minute I guess is enough. Like right? Okay. Now we do that on the board. I think you understand, right? Easy, right? Okay, we do it together on the board. Question exercise 1. Mary, can you read it, please?
In rolling a dice, what is the probability of getting A, 3,
Okay, 3.
B, even number, and C is 7?
Okay, letter A.
1 over 6.
3. What is the probability?
1 over 6.
Yes. How many 3 you can get?
1.
Only 1. And the total number of outcomes going times is 6. Yes. Letter P, even number. Radhika,
3 over 6.
3 over 6. Good.
We can simplify.
Yes. This one you also can simplify to half.
1 over 2.
1 over 2 is. And letter C,
0.
0, 7. Number 7. Why
Suppose
0? Why?
There is no 7 on the dice.
Yes,
Contact.
rolling dice. There's only 6. 1 to 6, right? There's no number 7 in the dice. Yeah. That's why we get 0. Good. Number 2.
5 upon 15 in simply 1 upon 3.
Yes. 5 over 15, which is also 1. If we simplify it, we get 1 over 3. Yes, thank you. I think that's all for today. See you in the next session. Have a nice day.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.